Let's see. This is from Auntie Allison and Eli. And
It's Beatles!
oh my god.
It's Beatles!
Oh my god.
I got Beatles!
What?
This!
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No way, man.
Hey, this is Beatles.
No, it's not.
This is Beatles.
Let's see. What's this?
Beatles! I always wanted this. Beatles.
What do you say?
Thank you.
2?
Daddy.
Not Daddy. Shut up, Daddy.
Allison. Thank you, Auntie Allison.
I love you.
I love you.
Mwah.
And where's the other present? What about the other present?
There's more Beatles.
What's it?
Watch. From Auntie Allison. Open it.
Wow! It's
More Beatles!
You can make.
Even more Beatles.
Wow!
What is Beatles?
You make crates. After you make it, you just slide the paper in. Then you have this, and you spread it and put it in here, and poof, goes back in the crate.
What does it make?
It makes everything.
Oh my gosh. Can you make me a car?
No, okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Auntie Allison.
Where's the remote?
Mwah.
Hey, I'm going to open it. This one.
No,
Okay.
direct